Good afternoon, students. I am Amrita Tiwari from Sagar Group of Institution in MBA department. We take lecture on project management. We topic to cover definitions and characteristics of project management. What is project management? Concept and definitions. Newman define the project management. A project is typically has a distinguished mission that it is designed to achieve, and a clear determined points the achievement of mission. According to Encyclopedia of Management, project is an organized unit dedicated to attainment of goal, the successful completions of development project on time within a budget in conformation and predetermined programs specifications. Project management is an organized venture for the managing project involves scientific applications of the modern tools, techniques in planning, financing, implementing, monitoring, controlling, and coordinating unique activity or task produce desirable output in accordance with the determined objective within the constraint of time and cost. Let's we begin the characteristics of project management. First is the objectives. Basically, objectives is a set of objectives of mission or activity. Once the objectives are achieved, the project is basically completed. Second is life cycle. A project has a life cycle. The life cycle consists of 5 stages: the conception stage, definition stage, planning or organizing stage, implementation stage, and commissioning stage. Third one is uniqueness. Every project is a unique. No two projects is a similar. The setting up the cement plant, that example, the setting up the cement plant, the constructions of highway are 2 different projects having a unique features. Fourth is teamwork. The project is a teamwork. Basically, it is a normally consists of diverse area. There is will be personal specialized in their respective areas. The coordination among the diverse area calls for the teamwork. Complexity. A project is a complex set of activities related to the diverse area. 6 is risk and uncertainty. Risk and uncertainty go hand in hand with the project. A risk-free, it only means that the elements is not appropriately visual on the surface, it will be hidden underneath. 7th is customer satisfied nature. A project is always customer oriented, always customer specific. It is a customer who decide upon the product to produce or service to be offered, and hence it is a responsibility of any organization to go for the project service that are suited on the customer needs. 8th is change. Changes occurs throughout the life cycle of any projects. As a natural outcome of many environmental changes or factors, the changes may vary from the minor changes which may have very little impact on the project to major changes which may have a big impact or many change in very nature of the projects. Ultimately, a project is always in optimum utilization of total resources, the overall development of the economy. This is the characteristics and definitions of the project management. We continue with the next class of project management. Thank you.